want you to do your lap.
I'm trying really hard not to.
Okay,
I'm really excited.
next. Oh, wrong.
That doesn't feel good on my throat.
Next we will be coloring the hovercraft. And the best is to buy Nerds. Sometimes boys just give them to you. And that's the best. Okay.
I can cross out
I'm
the S.
gonna see this.
Who's gonna see it?
Ryan.
Yay!
Sometimes they don't stick very well.
That can just be the luggage in the back of the pickup truck.
And then you kind of smash them down so they stay. You can just use your hand. Don't worry, the people who are gonna eat it haven't seen it yet.
Except now they're gonna